Our topic for today's video is about the melanin, or we call this one as the look-alike of a sunburn on our skin. Melanin or is somewhat lighter and spreading like compared to a black pigmentation that grows on our skin. Now, melanin is caused by the cells on in our body, which is called melanocytes. And these melanocytes is triggered by the effect of UV rays from the sun. Number two is melanin production is also triggered by the hormonal changes that is caused by our body, like for example from pregnancy or effect of hormonal effect of taking medicines, as well as there is that natural hormonal imbalances that is occurring in our body. Another factor is why melanin appears on our skin is because it is caused by aging, as well as the neglect ways of negligent is the right term, neglecting your personal hygiene and care to your body as a woman. Now, how to solve or cure this according to the advice of the skincare experts? They said that melanin can be prevented by the daily use of vitamin C or hydroquinone solution, as well as any kind of creams that could help diminish or disappear the colored black on our skin. I am talking about the melanin on our facial skin. Another is taking some vitamins that could really